Ever wonder what happens to your order after you click Pay Now on our website? Let's take you behind the scenes. It all starts with our specialist team carefully reviewing your order, checking every detail to make sure it's accurate and secure. Your information always protected. Next, we handpick your items and run a deep quality check, because only the best makes it out the door. Then it's on to packing, done with care to ensure everything arrives just the way it should. Finally, it's shipped fast. Every order placed before 5 p.m. shipped the same day. That's how we deliver trusted service, unbeatable value, and a smooth shopping experience every time. Locksmith Keyless, your trusted locksmith supplier with the best prices guaranteed. Click the link below to explore our products. And don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and deals.